What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today it's going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm really excited to share this item with you guys. I have been eyeing this item on Instagram ever since I saw it, and I have been stalking it and making sure that I can get my hands on it as soon as it came out, because it is a runway piece and those pieces are usually harder to get by, so I wanted to make sure that I get my hands on it, and I'm so excited I can share it with you guys today. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little bell so you're notified every single time that I post a new video. I usually post on Tuesdays and Saturdays, and they're usually fashion related videos, how to style, lookbooks, things of that sort. Okay, so before I start to unbox this bad boy right here, I just want to say that apparently I cannot talk today, so if I stumble, I am really sorry about that. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and share what's in here. So as always, I have my receipt in here, and I never share it for privacy purposes. And this is the beautiful box that it came in. Let's go ahead and open it. And it came in this beautiful dust bag right here. And I've already shared this item on Instagram, but anyway. So it is the Louis Vuitton Essentials trunk. It is so cute. It's so little, and I am in love with it. I don't think I ever get a petite malle, which is I think one of my dream bags, but spending $5,000, I think it's above my limit. Well, it is, and I don't think even if I saved enough for it, I don't think I could just, I don't know, bring myself to spend that much on a bag. So this is as close as I'll probably ever get to it, and I love it. I love the Louis Vuitton trunks and the history and everything like that. Okay, so let's get into this little one. So it comes with the S-lock right here. So you open it like this, and then here on the hardware it has the LV, and it says Louis Vuitton right here at the bottom. And then you open it, and this is what it looks like on the inside, and it has one little pocket right here. You have the little chain right here, and this chain actually is you can remove it completely, which I thought was amazing. So let me show you what that looks like. So there you go, and then you can tuck in the little thing right here, and then there you go. It's a trunk on its own without the chain. The chain right here, it just has the, I guess, the screw on thing right there, and then it says Louis Vuitton right here, and the other end has a little circle, and it's kind of like a clasp, I guess, mechanism, and it just says Louis Vuitton here on the edge as well. Alright, so I have some items with me, and then we're going to see what fits in here. So the one thing, obviously, your phone is not going to fit in there. So this is more like a little grab and go if you want to grab your phone on one hand. Put some cards in here and some keys and a lip balm. I think you'll be good to go. Most of the time, my phone stays in my hand anyway because I'm pretty much always on it. So, yeah. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so I have some cards here. Just some minion cards. I'm gonna go ahead, you can put them in here in the main compartment. You can also put a couple cards in the back of it, so if you want to just carry, let's say, 2 cards, so I have 2 cards right here. If you want to carry your driver's license and a credit card, that will fit in the slot right in here, the back pocket. And then so then it kind of gives this whole big pocket right here. You have a little bit more room to fit other items. So this is my Christian Dior Lip Balm, which I like to put in here. And then let's see if this fits in there. I've never tried it. It does, but then you can't really close it that well, so you can either have one or the other. So the gum will fit in it on its own, but then you can't really put too much else. I do have a little perfume bottle, so if that's something you want to carry, you can put that in there, and that will go in there. Or if you have a little miniature lipstick, you can put that in there as well. Otherwise, you can put this in here, and then your car keys right here. Or you can even hang your car keys on the side, though I just wouldn't do it because I don't know, I don't want to scratch the leather or anything like that, but you could do that essentially if you wanted to. And that's about as much as I think will fit in here. There's not much else that would fit in this little trunk, other than, honestly, the only reason I got it is because it's cute and it's something that I don't carry a lot with me anyway to begin with. Sometimes, especially on the weekend, I want to carry the bare essentials, so I think this is perfect for me. I see it kind of like the mini pochette, and I would just carry it on my wrist like that and then just put my bare essentials in there. I just think it's really, really cute. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it. Let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see from me next, and if you like this video and what you think of this little item right here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I love you guys, and until next time, bye.